So welcome students. In this question, you're asked to find the distance between these two parallel lines. So the formula for distance between two parallel lines is difference between the constants by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So to use the formula, first we have to equate the coefficients of x, y and z. So you can see that in one plane the coefficients are 2, 1, 2, the second plane 4, 2, 4. So there are two options. You can either divide this equation by 2 or you can multiply this equation with 2. So to equate the coefficients, I'll multiply this equation with 2. That is 4x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 16. So now you have 4 to 4 as coefficients here, 4 to 4 as coefficients here. So both are same. So the distance is nothing but the difference between the constants. But before applying this formula, both the constants should be in the same side of equal to. In the first equation, the constant term is in the right side of equal to. In the second equation, constant term is in the left side. So you cannot directly do 16 minus 5. So this 5, if it goes onto that side, becomes minus 5. So 16 minus of minus 5 is 21 divided by root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 4 square. That is 16 plus 16 plus 4, 36. That is equal to 21 by 6. That is 7 by 2. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.